Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to send message using slam effect, or how to send message with slam effect on iPhone. So if you want to do that, the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your messaging app on your phone, then just scroll down to wherever you want to type in the message. So make sure you obtain into a particular message, so for you to be able to apply the effect. So right now I'm in a particular message, which is my message. So I'm just going to create a message. So let me just simply add stickers or something. Let's try and check if this is okay. Let me use this as an example, this slap. So I can just simply add a effect to this emoji right here. So I'm just going to long click on the arrow up button. I'm just going to tap on the slam effect at the top, tap on it, then that is the effect. What's the effect all about? So just make a single click on the arrow up under the slam. So just tap on it, you can see, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.